Alrighty, so got ourselves a brand new scooter right here. Time to pop this thing open. Now I ain't never unboxed no shit, so you gonna have to bear with me if I fuck up. But these motherfucking DoorDash customers don't want to tip, so we finna deliver their shit on the scooter, even if it's 10 miles away. First things first, though, we gotta get this bad boy open. There we go. Ooh, nice. Today we will be unboxing a brand new scooter. We got the LEOOUT SX-10 dual motor scooter. This thing goes like 45 miles an hour, guys. It is a beast. First, let's go ahead and unbox it. So it's pretty simple to put this thing together. First, you want to go ahead and get it up out of the cardboard. Once you get all that done, it's pretty much just cutting some tape and some styrofoam and pretty much getting all your things out of the styrofoam and all set out. And it's not that much. You got your handlebars, your headlight, your deck that you stand on, and the wheels come attached. The brakes come put together. Really, the only thing you need to do is get the steering wheel stem, the stem. You need to get the stem set up to the deck and attach the handlebars to the stem, and after that you pretty much ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you, I'm gonna put it on a little speed ramp. You can see me unboxing this real quickly and putting it together, and like I said, it takes no time. And once you put it together, make sure you got your appropriate safety gear and you pretty much ready to go. Ready for that. I wanted to take it slow going down this trail now. I was excited to get on this scooter, so as you can see, it's nighttime. It ain't no light, but luckily we got that nice bright headlight. You can see it's giving us lots of visibility right there, even down this pretty much pitch black bike trail right here. So I got scared. I turned around and I decided, you know what, let me go ahead try it on the street first because it's a lot more light and I don't want no coyotes or no snakes or nothing running out on me. So we're gonna head back up here to the main road. Yep, I definitely got scared. I couldn't take it. It's too dark. We're gonna try the bike trail another day, do a range test on this thing and go around the whole trail. But for right now, we're gonna try it out on the streets because I was too scared, and the very first time on the scooter, I need to make sure I can see everything around me. Now, taking it out on the road, I think I had it in the first gear, and then I switched to second and third to get up to speed. I didn't know if there was some cars up behind me, but I think I put it in third gear right here. I wasn't really hitting it all the way on the gas. I think it's showing about 45 or 50 kilometers per hour, which is probably like 30 or something like that. But yeah, for a $1,000 scooter, this thing is putting in some work right now. It's 52-volt battery with a 25 amp hour or 20 amp hour. I can't remember. I'll put the specs up later on after we do some more tests. But this thing is going uphill and it's got some little torque behind it. I'm gonna tell you that. So again, I'm a beginner, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull over here to the side and get myself together. Because again, I'm not really ready. This road right here is 40 miles an hour, and even though the scooter can go that fast, I want to be safe, and I don't know if I'm ready for that just yet. I'm gonna go ahead and just get a feel for this thing right here in this little parking lot. It got some torque behind it, and it got two buttons on it. One is Eco Sport button, and another is to enable the single or dual motors. And being a beginner on this scooter, you want to make sure you be careful because I think it's automatically in boost mode when you start. Okay, so even if you're using single motor, like you already in sport mode, basically, you want to put that thing in eco, turn it all the way down to bold one, and really, get a feel for the scooter, especially the first time riders out there, because man, you can throw yourself off of the scooter if you don't be careful. And with it being a single stem instead of like a double stem, like a Dualtron or a GTX, GTR, Cabo Wolf GTR, whatever them things is called, it got single stem. So even though it got good suspension, it can get a little wobbly if you go too fast, and if that torque, it can skirt off real fast. So you want to be careful, and you definitely can do burnouts with this thing. So I wanted to get some practice, got out there and started busting my ass on this damn scooter. that throttle, that trigger throttle. And here I got enough confidence to go back down the bike trail, and I do notice that it's like a slight delay in the throttle when you pull it. But again, this is $1,000 scooter, and for $1,000 you ain't gonna get nothing going as fast as this, not right now. And shout out to the company that made this, because it seemed like it's pretty decently put together. From what I heard, the $2,000 and $3,000 scooters do a lot better and feel a lot sturdier and stabler, but for the price I think this is awesome, and it can definitely get you around. I plan on doing some DoorDash and some Uber Eats and Grubhub with this scooter, so I can make all the money back that I spent on it, because they did not send me this scooter for free. I spent all my money on it, so I need to make that back. But right here, I'm gonna be just taking it easy, going down this trail, you know, basically not trying to run into no coyotes, and just get a good, nice, straight shot out of this scooter and get a good feel for it without, you know, stopping at every stop sign and every stoplight. And I think this was a good little test. So if you're enjoying this video, look, do me a favor, hit that like button and that subscribe button. We're gonna be going out in the daytime on this scooter a lot more, doing more tests, working our confidence up so we can get to that point where we can do some food delivery on this thing.
That's scary shit. God damn. There'll be no sidewalk. Nope. This is it. That's all the sidewalk you get. Damn. Is that sidewalk all over there? $1,000. What's it something? Well, I'm about to go crazy on this one. I'm about to go crazy.